2025 Kia Rio continues to prove that compact cars can be stylish, efficient, and affordable, offering a modernized take on this long-running favorite. So guys, get ready for thrilling car news, expert reviews, and concept cars info right here on our ProVlog Car channel. Despite sharing much of its design and features with the 2021 model, the 2025 Rio incorporates some noteworthy updates to keep it relevant in a competitive market. With its refreshed aesthetics and dependable engineering, the Rio is an excellent option for those seeking a budget-friendly yet feature-packed compact vehicle. One of the most noticeable changes for 2025 is the Rio's facelift, featuring redesigned headlights and an updated front bumper that give it a sharper and more contemporary look. Select trims now include LED headlights, which not only enhance visibility during night driving but also add to the car's sleek and modern appearance. These subtle yet effective design tweaks help the Rio maintain its appeal in the ever-evolving world of compact cars. Under the hood, the 2025 Rio is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 120 horsepower and 112 pound-ft of torque. Paired with Kia's intelligent variable automatic transmission (IVT), this powertrain offers a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. While not a performance powerhouse, the Rio's nimble handling and lightweight design make it a fun car to drive in city traffic or on winding roads. Additionally, its impressive fuel economy, 32 miles per gallon city, 41 miles per gallon highway, and 36 miles per gallon combined, ensures that it's as economical as it is practical. For buyers in the United States, it's worth noting that Kia discontinued sales of the Rio after the 2023 model year. As such, the 2025 Rio is expected to closely resemble the 2023 version, with only minor updates. This makes it a great choice for those looking for a familiar, proven design with modern enhancements. The Rio's exterior design emphasizes simplicity and elegance, with clean lines and thoughtful details. Upgrading to 15-inch alloy wheels adds a touch of sophistication, while the LED headlights improve both style and functionality. Kia's signature Tiger Nose grille remains a defining feature of the front fascia, complemented by standard halogen headlights on the base trim. Inside, the Rio continues to impress with a functional and comfortable cabin. The seats are well designed and can be adjusted to suit individual preferences, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. For those opting for the S technology package, the Rio offers advanced connectivity options and tech features. The standard 8.0-inch touchscreen is intuitive and user-friendly, providing seamless wireless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows drivers to stay connected and entertained while keeping their focus on the road. The 2025 Kia Rio is available in two trims, with the base LX trim starting at a highly competitive $16,750. This low entry price makes it one of the most affordable new cars on the market, appealing to first-time buyers, budget-conscious shoppers, and anyone looking for reliable transportation without breaking the bank. Overall, the 2025 Kia Rio is a compact car that strikes a balance between affordability, style, and practicality. Its refreshed design, efficient engine, and user-friendly technology make it an excellent option for drivers seeking a dependable daily driver with modern features. Whether you're a commuter or someone looking for a second car, the Rio delivers exceptional value for its price. Share your thoughts in the comments, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on all things automotive.